Hi teacher, learning English can be the best option because it will produce great things. Now is the languages that everybody speaks. To others, I love these languages and some others because it opens a new world with many opportunities and even you used to help others. In the future help me much because I help to teach others. I like to teach and what's better to use the knowledge that I have. People should learn something different and English is something different and as a teacher we must be creative and very emotional to teach. Something that learning another languages hurts you because you end up wasting your native languages. But it's not. On the contrary, help your own languages, you make your brain you work better. You learn two different ways the same things because our brains are designed to learn up to 5 languages. Learning English is fantastic.